To convert cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you will first need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. Once you've downloaded the app, you can either use the main Coinbase app or the Coinbase Wallet app. Both options are available, but the main app is recommended for ease of use. To begin the conversion process, click on the Buy option, where you can either transfer from your existing account or search for a specific cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum. After selecting your cryptocurrency, a panel will appear with the option to convert one cryptocurrency to another. From there, simply enter the amount of cryptocurrency you'd like to convert in your local currency. Click Preview, and then Convert to see the equivalent value in the desired currency. This straightforward process allows you to easily convert your cryptocurrencies on Coinbase.